guys, I'm here with my daughter Haley. We're gonna actually do a my daughter picks my hair color video, which Haley was not aware of till just now. So, Haley, you get to pick my hair color of what you want, and I have to dye my hair that color. So, let's go pick some hair color. We're still in the car, obviously. Alrighty, let's head in. Ridley's, because this is the closest thing to a drugstore that I have. I'm gonna get some looks.
Wasting mother's money.
Sausages. So now we're actually at Family Dollar because I don't know. I want to go to like every store in town today for some reason. I need cat food. This is our randomness. We're gonna include this randomness because why not? Normally I don't throw these in, but look, they have LEI jeggings at Family Dollar for only $12. Look at all these clothes. Fuzzy Fleur. Fleur. They also have a full-size onesie, which I'll probably buy. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Guys. It's Mario. Haley found the unicorn one. Everything unicorn. Okay guys, so we got the hair dye and like a whole trunk full of other stuff. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna dye some hair, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, it's good. Bye. Alright guys, we are back, and from the store we've got the hair dye. Now I want to point out that I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what I'm doing. I'm not giving you a tutorial on how to do this. I have probably gone to a hair salon and actually got my hair dyed maybe once or twice in my life. Other than that, I usually just do it myself. I always do. Insert pictures here, pop, of all the times that I've done my hair. So many different colors. So today we're going with the one that Haley has picked out for me. So let's get this started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I do part my hair on the side. And then I'm just going to put it in little chunks so that Nicole has an easier time dyeing it for me. I'm sure that's like you but either way. And then we'll get started.
I do not claim to be a professional.
That's what I was saying. I was like, we've never said we know what we're doing, but we've always done our own hair.
We wing it hardcore.
Cause I don't want to pay to get my hair done. I'm cheap.
Especially too, like here in town, they don't like to do fun colors.
They really don't. So, unless you get my daughter's friend's mom, who's super chill. If anybody wonders why I keep making funny faces, because my nose tickles. I'm like, no, I don't like 5 times faster. And no matter what we say, yeah, pretty much. Well, just probably don't start all together. $12 for this. Oh, that blue one is so good. I have it over in my fucking room cupboard. It's on bleach. Yeah, because what I did this is really gonna be enough for people. Yeah, it's all over cupboard. Alright guys, now we wait. You can see some of my old pink, which is reacting funny. It's pulling out. I'm kind of surprised that she chose a pink, even though I've had pink a lot. Kind of thought she'd pick something different, but no, we're gonna do this one. It's not gonna look like that. It's not. Now to wait. Alright guys, we're back at the store again because that wasn't enough hair dye. And this pink is from before. It didn't work. So me and
Mistakes have been made.
Ooh, that's like right up in my face. Hey guys. We're gonna go get more hair dye. Alright, Haley.
What?
You picked my hair. What do you think now that it's done?
And I like the blue on the top and the bottom, and then the pink in the middle.
I like that.
Yeah.
Kylie.
I will step down my Minecraft for a minute to do
Well,
this.
Kylie, come here. She's touching me. What do you think of the hair?
I like it.
Well, I think it was a success. They're not enthused. Maybe we should have just done it all this color.
I'm tired.
Yeah, my hair did take, I think, 8 hours or so. So, I mean, it definitely took a really, really long time. We had to do it a couple of times. But maybe we'll go get a better reaction out of Alexis. Alright, Alexis. What do you think of my hair?
I really like it. It's really cute.
Do you think Haley picked well?
I mean, for most of the part, yes. Yes.
For most of the part?
Yes.
Should we have done all of it this color?
Not all of it, no. Maybe.
Should we do your hair next? Solid no. Alright guys, so that's that. I think everybody pretty much likes the hair, but who knows. But it was fun. It was fun to just let her pick and you know, be able to go from there. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, subscribe, you know, keep in the loop of all of our weird shenanigans. We're always up to something, so just come along for the ride. Hope you guys have a great night. See y'all in the next video. Bye.